Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your notes visual in Obsidian. If you've ever opened a note and felt overwhelmed by a wall of text, this workflow will help you turn that same information into a clean, scannable layout that's easier to understand and remember. We'll move from a blank workspace to a structured visual note, keeping everything simple and repeatable so you can use it for any topic. Start by opening Obsidian and loading the vault where you want to work. Take a second to think about where this note belongs. Visual notes work best when they live in a consistent place, so you can always find them without digging around later. If you're working across multiple subjects, this step alone will save you a lot of friction over time. Create a new folder for your visual notes and give it a clear name like Visual Notes. This folder becomes your dedicated space for structured, easy-to-scan content. As you add more notes, it naturally turns into a visual index of your thinking, which makes reviewing and revising much easier. Inside that folder, create a new note and give it a descriptive title based on the idea you're capturing. Don't worry about making it perfect yet. If you're using Live Preview, keep it on so you can see your formatting as you go. Now start building a simple visual structure at the top of the note. Add a one-sentence summary of the core idea first. Right under it, insert a simple visual element like a quick diagram, a flow from left to right, a call-out, or even a small image. The goal is to give your brain an instant "what this is about" signal before you read anything deeper. Next, add clear headings to organize your content. Use consistent sections like concept, process, examples, and references. This repetition is important because it trains your brain to expect the same structure across all your notes, making everything easier to scan later. Under each heading, write short, direct points instead of long paragraphs. Break ideas into small chunks so each section communicates one clear thought. This alone will make your notes feel significantly more readable. Now bring a bit of visual clarity into your structure using emojis. A light bulb can mark ideas, a gear can represent processes, and a link icon can point to references. Use them consistently so they act like visual anchors that help you scan faster, not just decoration. On Windows, you can use the Windows key plus period, and on Mac, Control, Command plus space to open the emoji picker. If you want an extra boost, you can even use an AI tool to help refine clarity. Ask it for a simple summary sentence, a visual metaphor, or a cleaner way to structure a section. Just keep its output as raw material and adjust it so it matches your own thinking and style. Finally, connect this note to related ideas using internal links. Link between concepts where it makes sense, especially in examples or reference sections. Over time, this turns your vault into a network of connected ideas instead of isolated pages, making navigation feel natural and fast. You can also add a small Related Notes section at the bottom to group important links together. This gives you a mini index inside each note and helps you jump between ideas effortlessly. As you build more of these, stick to the same structure. One clear idea at the top, a simple visual cue, consistent headings, short sections, and smart links between notes. That repetition is what makes the system powerful. That's it. You've created a visual note system in Obsidian with structure, clarity, visual cues, and strong connections between ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.